Hey you guys, this is Jesse here with Summit 4x4 Company. We are extremely excited to do an unboxing of the Flex Era 4 lights from KC. Special shout out to the crew up there in Williams. Thank you guys so much. So yeah, we haven't seen these in person yet. So this is the very first time we will be experiencing it with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by slicing this open. One of the cool things I do love about KC is their boxes and their packaging. They do an amazing job with that. So look at that. Look at that presentation. Beautiful. All right. Let's pull these out here. You can already tell, if you guys have seen the Flex Era 3s, these things are much larger, which I like too. You know, as far as putting them on the side of my rig, I prefer the larger size here. So all right, there we go. Absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. So one thing that also is neat is you guys can change out these color rings here as well, from the gold to the blue to the red. I think there's an additional color in there possibly to change out. The lenses can be changed out as well. So you guys can go ahead and do it diffused on there. This one is the spot setup. So go ahead and put this back on here and we'll keep unboxing, seeing what else is in here. All right, beautiful light number 2. It's not empty, don't worry. Always cool with KC, everybody loves this sticker. So we got a sticker in there. Zip ties, obviously to keep the wiring nice and clean. Of course I dropped something, let me see what I dropped. Where'd it go? There it is, I got it. All right, looks like a little screw in here for the relay. Again, cool sticker from KC. We got the 3-position switch there for the backlight, the on and the off. Beautiful, very simple instructions on there for you guys to follow for installation. Complete harness here, which is awesome. You guys, we've seen some very cheap harnesses. This obviously is not one of them. So great job again, KC, for that. And they even include some zip ties to clean up the wiring, which again is extremely important to make sure this thing doesn't droop, hit on anything hot, or get caught on anything. So again, man, I wish I had the Flex Era 3s to put them side by side, but we did sell out of them. So these things, again, absolutely gorgeous, man. The detail that goes into these is definitely a piece of art. So great job to the designers on that. All right, you guys, so we're gonna have these lights on display at our 422 North Arizona Avenue location. So while these things are still on reserve in a back order status, if you guys wanna come in and check them out, they will be available for viewing. We are gonna hold off on selling these though, so we can give the community an opportunity to come in and check them out. We can place orders for you guys when you do come in if you decide you guys wanna get a set, and trust me, you wanna get a set. These things are awesome. Again, great job, KC. Great job on the packaging. Great job on the box. This is one of those things that even when you're done installing it would be cool to set in the garage or set up for display. So beautiful, and can't wait to be able to get these installed on one of the rigs here. When we do, we'll do an installation video, and then we'll go out and test these things at night, kind of give you guys a little sneak peek on that as well. So sweet, that's it for now, you guys. Again, Jesse with Summit 4x4 Company. These will be located at our S2 location at 422 North Arizona Avenue here in Prescott if you guys want to swing by. The main location is 402 East Sheldon Street in Prescott. Love to have you guys swing by and check them out. Thanks.